unbox this iPhone 15 Pro Max in blue color. So now I'm going to unbox like this. Wow, this is blue titanium. Wow, I love it. Let's have a look what's inside the box. Here is something. Here's the pin. And here's the instruction. Maybe it's instruction and nothing. And it's a charging cable. And it's a phone. Let's check it out. Wow, it's too good. So guys, this is a power button and this is volume down, this is volume up, and this is accent button. So I'm so happy to get this iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I want to say thanks to my dad. Tanya! Congratulations to me! Let's power on this device. Okay, so finally it's good.
I can see my Apple logo.
I can see my Apple logo over here. And here's the hello.